Wheel tech, if you want your wheels done, come on the wheel tech. See what this bad girl looking like. Alright. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm gonna have to definitely get this on Lord. Big ass bumblebee. So what's poppin' YouTube? This your boy DeAndre 10K, and I'm back with another video today. So as you see by the title and the thumbnail of this video, man, it's about that time. I finally got some new rims, and basically, hey Miss Patricia, how you doing? I'm doing well, I'm blessed. So basically today I will be showing y'all these rims, and I will be getting them installed today. And it's crazy how everything works, because today my tires, I had to order some tires, right? So my tires had finally came in, and I'm gonna show y'all them too. I guess I'm going with a staggered setup. Hell, I don't even know. Like, you know, honestly, it took me some research. It took me some I had to do some reading and some learning on, like, I already knew what offsets was. I already knew how to figure out your tire sizes, but you know, at first I didn't know what square setups and staggered, just the other stuff that you wouldn't know about, or the stuff that you get into. But anyway, 20s all around. Man, I'm going with some 305s and 275s. So 305s for the rear, 275s for the front. And man, I can't wait. So I'm not gonna lie, these rims are so lit. FERRADAs, baby. Man, they look good. I ain't even gonna take this off just yet. Just bear with me, guys. Y'all gonna see it. Y'all gonna have a better view. Right now, guys, I want to take this off. I'm not. Y'all gonna see these on the car later today. I just want to show y'all. Basically, it's like a little sneak peek. It's not even icing on the cake. So just show y'all what I'm working with, or whatever. These are the fronts. You see, I don't know if y'all can see that. FERRADAs. Yeah, so it has a gloss lip around, and this is matte black. I was in a rush the day that they came, so I opened the box up on the other side. So, but it's good right now. So y'all can see that. Y'all can see that this is the front and this is the back, and literally these are the rear rims. So look at that. They look real good though. So right now I'm about to go get them ceramic coated, help with the brake dust and everything. And also it's going to help with when I get the rims put around the tire, so it won't get scratched or whatever. So other than that, man, these are the rims. They look real good. And right now, load them up into the truck and about to head out. So yeah. Y'all ain't gonna lie, it's looking real good. Yeah, this one's been the one to open. This upside down. Alright, this straight though. Yeah, there was a day and I got it, man. I popped over there, bought it down quick. I was like, fuck, open it upside down.
The lady bought the clear lenses that are on them.
Right.
She bought them for me brand new, so they were really, really clear. That's the only reason I even used them. Otherwise, I would have spent $1,200 on building a car. I ain't spent money on that. And how many Mustangs do you see with that similar style badge? A few, but not one with a lion on it. What is a Nala edition?
Y'all always see like coyote or a damn snake, shit like this.
It's not a Hellcat, so you ain't got no
nothing
stupid like that.
Right,
You know what I mean? They don't throw any kind of anything to that. Oh, that shit's gonna fucking. You dial this thing in, it's gonna be perfect.
Finishing up the last
perfect.
one.
Like the Nala edition, you can tell it's perfect.
Right. I'm trying to get my Stang featured in a magazine or something. I'm trying to go to summer, goddammit.
Right.
But I ain't trying to sell myself short, so I know as long as you put your mind to it, you can do anything you want. So
I'm gonna try to take that event I got to see. For sure. I went last year, obviously. You went, right before I did all your stuff.
Right.
Right after I did all your stuff, I was saying. But
Y'all getting the last round ceramic coated, man. And I say this shit looks so good. Like, it looks so beautiful. How it look, Chris?
Wonderful.
Wonderful.
Wet. Coated. Protected. Everything's good.
Yep. And this is the same man that wrapped my roof, wrapped my mirror, ceramic coat my car, did everything.
Everything. You go ahead and hit that button on the garage.
Wrap, all this wrap. Yeah, the one, I'm telling y'all, man, everything coming together. When I get to that last stage, man, it's about to get real vinyl. Not violent, it's gonna get real vinyl.
Real vinyl.
Real vinyl, man. Look at that shit.
That's it right there.
Yup. Last one. Time
Nice,
to get
perfect satin finish.
shout out to FERRADA, man.
There. Got the lips to them too.
Right.
Some nice little lips.
Yeah, 40.
Did you end up going with the 305 and the 285?
Yep.
The 275?
Oh, no. I ran with the 305, 275. Yeah. Nittos, she took care of me. Now we about to go ahead and shoot down street to the shop, and I see y'all there. Ain't that right now? Look. All right, guys. So about to head home. You know they close at 5, and right now it's 4:51. So I gotta come back tomorrow morning. Oh yeah, if you have not subscribed, subscribe now, man. Cause I'm telling you, my bill with my car is about to get lit. So see y'all tomorrow, man. So made it to the shop. It's called Wheel Tech. About to go ahead and get these tires put on. I can't wait, man. It's about that time, man. It's 305s, 275s, bro. Oh my god. So I'm about to go ahead and walk in, man. And next time y'all see me, man, probably the wheels be on or whatever. But yeah, no more stock wheels. How you like the rims?
Gonna look good.
Look good.
Really good. Man, yeah. I can't wait to see it on there.
Things done, man. I got to. Man, this ain't no game, man. Oh my god, that's how my car be sounding. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Little old head in that thing camming too, boy. And he got the handicap sticker in the windshield. Get it, damn granddaddy. Get it, boy. You gotta love them old heads, boy. Wheel Tech, if you want your wheels done, come on the Wheel Tech. See what this bad girl looking like. Alright. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm gonna have to definitely get this on board. Oh my god. Alright, y'all, so let me load up the manufactured tires and yeah, we gonna Man, this shit dope, man. Hold, y'all gotta hold up real quick. Hold up. Make sure y'all follow that social media.
Ooh, that thing looking wide now.
Wet.
Hey, wet.
Wet.
How I feel?
He already. How I feel?
How I feel?
Hey, shit, it feel good. It feel good when you do a lot to your car. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What you think, bro? Yeah, that's it right here, y'all. With the blinking demon eye, man. And I got the orange shoes on, man. You know how I do, man. Man, what can I say, man? This shit lit. I ain't gonna lie to you, man. I'm proud of myself. Other Mustang owners that modify their Stang, man, they know what type of feeling this is. My guy over there like it, everybody like it, man.